electric dreams that never die, glowing whispers in the night, chasing shadows bathed in light. Neon rivers start to flow under stars that softly glow. Shimmering pulses beat the air, colors burst like they don't care. Nights of dancing, breaking free, bright explosions endlessly. Through the dark they come their name, burning while they play their game. Sparks collide and twist the haze, electric veins ignite the maze. City hums a secret tune underneath a silver moon. The rhythm bends the world in two, flashes painting skies anew, a firestorm of shining